Welcome to Fiber Optics Communication Systems by eFact. Module 6 Optical Networks. Synchronous Optical Network SONET. SONET being a synchronous network requires a single clock to handle the timing synchronization and equipment across the network. SONET is a multiplex transport mechanism and hence can be the carrier for broadband services such as ATM, that is asynchronous transfer mode, and broadband ISDN, that is broadband integrated services digital network. SONET is basically a time division multiplexing system. The figure shows the basic architecture for SONET. UPSR configuration. UPSR stands for Unidirectional Path Switch Rings. In UPSR, the traffic is carried away simultaneously on working fiber in clockwise direction and the protection fiber is in anti-clockwise direction. BLSR configuration. BLSR stands for Bidirectional Line Switch Rings. It is basically a 4-fiber network in which 2 working fibers and 2 protection fibers are used. 2 types of protection schemes are namely span switching and ring switching. SONET frame format. It is basically a matrix of 9 rows of 90 octets each. Thus the total number of octets is 810 octets. The first 3 columns, that is 3 into 9 is equals to 27 octets, are reserved for the administration overhead. The remaining frame area, that is 87 into 9 is equals to 783 octets, is called as synchronous payload envelope SPE. The SPE is made of transmission overhead and user data. The administration overhead section is divided into 2 subsections, namely section overhead and line overhead. The section overhead is used to provide framing, error monitoring and management functions. The line overhead is used to provide synchronization and multiplexing for the path layer as well as protection switching capability. The remaining 87 columns of the frame consist of the information payload that carries the path layer information. The bit rate of the information payload for the STS1 is given as 8 into 9 into 87 into 8000 is equals to 50.122 Mbps. Hybrid Fiber Coaxial HFC. This is the basic architecture of the HFC. From RCH, that is regional cable head, to fiber node, the information is carried by the optical fiber cable. Endpoint transmission is done with the help of coaxial cables. That means both fiber optic cables and coaxial cables are used for the transmission. HFC is basically a broadcast network and both optical cable and coaxial cable carriers are used. Therefore, it is also known as Subcarrier Modulated Fiber Coaxial Bus SMFCB. In conventional HFC, the frequency range is 500 MHz, but in case of enhanced HFC, it is increased up to 1 GHz. Quadrature amplitude modulation technique is used. It provides the spectral efficiency of 8 bits per hertz. Since HFC network is basically a broadcasting network, the peak data rate is shared among all users. FTTX, that is Fiber to the X. In FTTX, the data is transmitted digitally from central office to the fiber terminating nodes. The fiber terminating nodes are called as optical network units. Signals are broadcast from central office to optical network units. The optical network units shares a common total bandwidth using a time division multiplexing. Depending upon the connection of fibers, different terms are used to describe the FTTX architecture. First is fiber to the home, FTTH. Second is fiber to the building, FTTB. And third is fiber to the cabinet, FTTC. FTTH, that is fiber to the home. In this case, connection to every home is using optical fiber. The optical network units performs the job of network interfacing units. Fiber to the building, FTTB. In this case, the fiber connection is up to the building or a group of 8 to 64 homes. Here an additional distribution network is required from ONU to NIU. Fiber to the cabinet, FTTC. As the name indicates, optical fiber is terminated into the cabinet. Usually the fiber cable is within 1 km range from individual home. Basically, in case of FTTC architecture, the remote nodes are placed in central office and not in the field. The network from central office to ONU is passive optical network. Passive optical network is used in gigabit technology, that means gigafiber technology. Network management functions: performance management, fault management, configuration management, security management, and accounting management. So in this module, we have studied SONET, HFC, FTTX, and some network management functions.